Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively, without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1¼ cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches.